You fold your clothes every week, but what if I told you you're about to stop doing that forever? Because something is quietly replacing this habit and most people haven't noticed it yet. Right now, folding clothes feels normal, but that's exactly how old technology always feels before it disappears. Let me show you something, and trust me, this gets crazy towards the end. Machines like FoldiMate automatic laundry folding machine are already trying to automate this, and at first, it looks like just another gadget. You put your shirt inside, press a button, and wait a few seconds. Then suddenly, a perfectly folded shirt comes out. And the weird part is, it does it better than most people. Cleaner folds, consistent shape, and zero effort from you. At this point, you might be thinking, okay, that's cool, but do I really need this? And honestly, that's a fair question because right now it feels like a luxury, not a necessity. But here's where things start to change, and most people miss this completely. Another system called Effie automated ironing and folding machine doesn't just fold clothes. It handles drying, ironing, and folding in one process, which means you might never touch your laundry again. No folding, no ironing, no organizing, just clean clothes, ready to wear. Now pause for a second, because this is bigger than it looks. This isn't about laundry anymore. This is about automation replacing small human tasks. And small tasks are dangerous to lose because they're the ones we do every single day. Think about it. We stopped remembering phone numbers. We stopped navigating with maps, and now we rely on GPS for everything. And slowly, we're giving up control. Piece by piece. But here's the twist nobody talks about. What happens when these machines stop needing your input? What if your device already knows when you're going out what you'll wear and prepares it? Sounds crazy, right? But that's exactly where AI is heading. Your habits, your schedule, your preferences, all being tracked and predicted over time. So one day, you won't even ask the machine to do laundry. It will just happen automatically before you even think about it, and that's where things get uncomfortable because convenience starts turning into control. Now suddenly, it's not just helping you, it's deciding for you. And here's the real question, are you okay with that? Because the same system that folds your clothes could also learn everything about your daily life. When you wake up, what you wear, where you go, and the more you depend on it, the harder it becomes to live without it. So yeah, this machine looks simple on the surface, but in reality, it's a small step toward a fully automated lifestyle. A lifestyle where everything is done for you, but you slowly lose control in the process. Now don't get me wrong, this technology is incredibly useful. It saves time, reduces effort, and makes life easier. But at the same time, it changes how we live permanently. And once people get used to that convenience, there's no going back. So here's the final thought I want to leave you with, and I want you to really think about this. If a machine can handle your daily tasks perfectly, without mistakes, without effort, at what point do you stop being in control of your own life? Would you actually use something like this, or does it feel a little too far? Let me know in the comments, because this conversation is just getting started. And if you want more videos like this, subscribe now, before this future becomes normal.